Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing well today. This is a tutorial to show you how to record a podcast interview using Audacity and Zoom. First thing we're going to do is open our Zoom app, click on your avatar, settings, recording, and make sure this option right here is activated. You can then go ahead and close that window and minimize the Zoom app. The next step will be to open Audacity. And before we do a sound check, we're going to make sure certain settings are properly configured. Down to your left, there's a box that's titled Project Rate. Make sure that that is set at 48,000. Next, click on Edit, go to Preferences, and under the Quality tab, again, make sure the sample rate has been set at 48,000. The sample format should be at 24-bit. Click on OK. Few things to keep in mind. This drop-down menu right here will show you your inputs. And in my case, I'm using a Focusrite USB audio interface. This drop-down menu will show you outputs. Again, in my case, will be the Focusrite USB audio interface. Make sure you are recording in mono. And to make sure the signal is properly coming in to Audacity, click on Start Monitoring. And hopefully a green bar will go up and down as you speak. If I go quiet, you're going to see that the bar no longer moves. Then you will create a mono track. And I'll go ahead and do a short sound check to make sure that my voice is coming properly into Audacity. Hello, hello, this is my voice. 1, 2, 3, sound check. If I play what we have recorded, you should be able to hear it. Hello, hello, this is my voice. 1, 2, 3, sound check. Perfect. Once you are certain that your voice is being recorded in Audacity, you can go ahead and select the track, delete it, and Audacity will be ready to record your side of the interview. Last step is create a new meeting in Zoom. I'll go ahead and create one without a guest. And under the Participants tab, you'll see your name right here. And right below your name, your guest name will be shown. Before recording the official interview, make sure that Audacity is ready to start recording. I can go ahead and start recording right now and make sure that your signal is coming in properly into Audacity, both making sure that the mono track is recording your voice and the monitoring meter is moving up and down. I'll go ahead and minimize my Audacity. Make sure you don't stop the recording. And then, once you and your guest are ready to start recording in Zoom, click on More and Record on this computer. As you can see, a recording window will be shown at the top part of the Zoom application. And at this point, you'll start recording the interview. And once you end the interview, just click on Stop. You can continue to have a conversation with your guest. And once you click on End and Meeting for All, Zoom will automatically create a folder with both your file and your guest's audio file. Again, in my case, I was just recording my own voice. That's why I don't have a second audio file right here. After you finish your interview, make sure you click on Stop in Audacity. To export your files from Audacity, all you need to do is click on File, Export, and export as WAV. I'll name my file Luis Sound Check. Again, make sure you are saving the file as a WAV file, and the encoding should be set at 24-bit. Click on Save, and automatically Audacity will show you this window asking you to fill out the metadata information for the file. You don't need to do this, so go ahead and click OK, and your file will be exported to your selected location. So, to summarize, here's a checklist that you can use to make sure that your settings in both Zoom and Audacity are properly configured. Always make sure that your sample rate and bit rate are properly set in Audacity, and perform your sound check before jumping into the interview. It's very, very important that you check that your signal, your voice is being recorded in Audacity. If you run into any kind of trouble while performing this sound check, please don't hesitate to contact me. In order to record your guest's voice in Zoom, you'll need to click Record on this computer. You'll find this option under the More tab in your Zoom window. Don't forget to start your recording in Audacity. That is very important. And remember, once you end the meeting, the program will automatically create the audio files. Those files are by default saved in the Zoom folder, which you can locate in the Documents folder. Files you'll be sharing include one WAV file, which will be created in Audacity, and two M4A audio files, which again will be created automatically by Zoom. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.